Hello students, in the last class we have done the basis of classification. In this we have studied about level of organization, then symmetry, diploblastic and the triploblastic organization, coelom, segmentation, notochord, and we have discussed the broad classification of the animal kingdom with the features. Now here we will be studying the features of every phylum, starting with the first phylum, the phylum Porifera. Now in this chapter you have to make notes. Okay, so here phylum Porifera, first point, they are known as sponges. Generally they are marine and they are asymmetrical. Now the terminology you have to understand. Asymmetrical means the body cannot be divided into any equal parts. Okay, then phylum Porifera, it is the most primitive multicellular organisms and the level of organization is cellular. So here the point form में आप लिखोगे इसको, ठीक है, cellular level of organization है, asymmetrical है, clear, and they have a water canal system. Water canal system is there. Water enter through the minute pore known as the ostia in their body. You can see these are the pores. You can see here the pores are present over their body. The water enter through these pores. These pores are known as the ostia, and they enter into the central cavity. That is, this is the central cavity. It is known as the spongocoel, and it goes out through this structure. It is known as the osculum. This is the structure known as the osculum. And this pathway, they are the most primitive organisms, so they have the food gathering, respiration, removal of waste, everything. They do not have any kind of the system. Okay, then another important thing that they have the choanocytes, or another word is for them, very important, collar cells. They are present in the line the spongocoel and the canal. Now where they are present, suppose this is their body. This is their body, so these cells are present here. Okay, these are present here, and here the pores are present here through which the water can enter into that. These pores are known as the ostia. This structure is known as the osculum, the spongocoel. This structure is the spongocoel, and this pore through which the water goes out is known as the what? Osculum. Okay, apart from that, these organisms, collar cells के अलावा, the body is having the skeleton. Digestion is intracellular. Skeleton is made up of the spongin fiber. This is very important line. Another important thing is there, they are known as the hermaphrodite, और उसके लिए हम साइन ये भी यूज करते हैं बेटा. This is the hermaphrodites. Means the sexes are not separate, means male and the female sexes are present in the same organism. The same organism produce the eggs also, and it produce the sperms also. Clear? Now how do they reproduce? Reproduction, ये अलग heading है. Reproduction कैसे करते हैं? The organisms show the reproduction by the asexual method also. फ्रेगमेंटेशन, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्रेगमेंटेशन? फ्रेगमेंटेशन का मतलब है, ये जो पोर्शन आपको दिख रहा है 10th क्लास में आपने किया होगा, ये फ्रेगमेंट होकर अलग टूट के गिरता है और उससे नई बॉडी बन जाती है. सो दिस इज द फ्रेगमेंटेशन. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इज बाय द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द गमीट्स. एज आई टोल्ड यू, एग एंड द स्पर्म दे आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक प्लेस इनसाइड देयर बॉडी, सो दैट इज नोन एज द इंटरनल. एंड डेवलपमेंट इज इनडायरेक्ट. ठीक है, तो डेवलपमेंट जो है, डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट ह्यूमन बींग्स में होती है. डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट का मतलब होता है व्हेन द लार्वल स्टेज इज नॉट देयर. ठीक है, व्हेन देयर इज ए लार्वा प्रेजेंट, देन दिस काइंड ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट इज नोन एज द इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट. ओके, सो दैट इज द phylum Porifera.